Oh! Whoa! Oh my gosh. I do not need to I do not feel the need. Yeah. Hi guys, this is Rhaze and I am back for another first impression review. I will be reviewing the Maybelline Colorsensational Lasting Lip Color. I got mine from Beauty MNL for 250 pesos because they are on sale right now. This is, I think, originally 299. I have mine in the shade Warm Me Up. This is what I have on my lips right now. If you've been watching my videos, alam nyo na I'm on a hunt for a really good nude. So I decided to get the nude. The lipstick looks like this. Really nice packaging. Yung lids ng lipstick nila, iba-ibang kulay. Oh! Whoa! Oh my gosh. Natakot ako dun Feeling ko kasi kapag nabagsak ko to masisira yung lid kasi plastic siya. But I catch it. Yeah, catcher. I will go ahead and check the claims. It says here it delivers rich color infused with pure pigments, moisturizes, smoothens, and softens lips, infused with nourishing honey nectar for a creamier feel, silky satin finish. Kanina pagkatapos ko siyang in-apply, sabi ko glossy yung finish niya. Well, it looks glossy to me, not really like satin. So, yeah, para sa akin glossy yung finish niya. It feels really nice on the lips right now. I don't feel like any moisturizing action though, but it's not drying. Without further ado, I will go ahead and show you guys the clip of me applying this on the lips. Okay, so ilalagay ko na yung lipstick. Again, wala akong lip balm, but I do apply lip balm every night before I go to bed. So that's what the lipstick looks like on my lips. It's very creamy. Medyo may pagkamalikit ng konti when you apply, but nothing crazy. I really like the shade. Very subtle pinkish nude shade. Yung finish niya glossy as you guys can see. Hindi naman nagsistick together yung lips ko if they touch each other like that. So yeah, feels nice right now. We'll see how it will last. It is now 12:01. I'll get back to you guys later for an update. It is now 4:44 ng hapon. Kumain ako ng lunch mga 1 hour and 30 minutes after ko in-apply yung lipstick. Tapos, kumain na din ako ng snacks 2 beses na. Marami nang nangyari and you guys, this is what my lips looks like. Ganda pa rin ng lipstick, you guys. Nandun pa rin yung glossy finish niya. Nandun pa rin yung lipstick for the most part. Nag-fade na yung pinaka-inner part ng lips ko. Yung pinaka-inner part lang. Pero hindi siya obvious at all kasi yung shade niya parang my lips but better lang. And then same thing, I don't feel na nagda-dry yung lips ko. Hindi siya nagka-crack. Hindi siya nagsisettle sa lip lines ko. Hindi siya nag-bleed sa teeth ko. Hindi siya nag-bleed outside my lip lines. So I'm actually really impressed. I'm really liking this lipstick. So far, so good. I do not feel the need to retouch right now because my lipstick still looks brand new. Yeah, I'll get back to you guys later after ako mag-dinner. It is now 8:45 ng gabi. Katatapos ko lang mag-dinner tapos uminom ako ng tubig and this is what my lips looks like right now. Nag-fade lang you guys is yung pinaka-inner corners lang ng lips ko. So, sobrang nagugustuhan ko siya. It definitely is a long-lasting lipstick. As you guys can see, yung color payoff nandito pa rin hanggang ngayon. And it's been how many hours na? Sobrang tagal na, diba? Tapos ang daming beses ko na din kumain at uminom. So, yeah, I'm really liking it. It doesn't feel drying on the lips at all. Yeah, it feels really nice. Very comfortable sa lips. I will do my best to put this video up before the sale ends kasi yung original price niya is 299. Tapos, the sale price is 250. I'm not sure how the other shades will perform though. Napansin ko lang sa mga nude na lipsticks na mas matagal talaga siya nagsistay sa lips. Maybe because of the color as well, hindi mo talaga makita na nag-fade na talaga siya ng bongga because parang kakulay lang siya ng lips mo. You know what I mean? So that's one thing to consider as well. But yeah, I'm really liking this lipstick. Definitely one of the best nude lipsticks I've tried. So yeah, that's it for this review. I hope you found the video helpful. Please do like if you did. Subscribe if you're not yet already. I do my best to upload videos every single day for you guys. Do not forget, be good. See you in my next one. Bye, guys!